I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Install the Polish photo editor, allow camera and storage access, and open the app. Once done, create a dedicated project folder and copy original files there so you can always revert. Next, tap Import and choose Full Resolution Images. Pick the primary photo you'll work on first. You're starting in the editor view, where tools appear along the bottom. Make sure autosave is enabled. This prevents accidental loss while you explore the basic adjustment sliders. You now perform the core corrections. Begin with exposure and contrast to balance tones, then pull down highlights and lift shadows to recover detail. Once base looks right, switch to white balance and tint. Use the eyedropper on a neutral area to remove color cast, because accurate color makes all other edits behave predictably. After color, crop, and fix perspective, enable the grid and select 1/1 or 16:9 depending on your output. Remember to nudge, not slam, sliders for natural results. You're at the finish line. Add selective sharpening and gentle noise reduction, previewing at 100% to avoid overdoing it. Use local brushes for spot fixes, then export. Choose file type, quality, and include or strip metadata as needed. Once exported, compare to the original to confirm fidelity. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Revert to your backed-up original, disable adjustment layers to isolate the issue, and reapply changes one step at a time so you can identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.